Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The 2026 Yamaha XT 500 is a motorcycle that blends heritage, rugged reliability, and modern engineering into a single, exciting package. For those who have long admired the XT series for its legendary durability and off-road capability, the new XT 500 is a promise fulfilled, a machine that respects the past but doesn't shy away from the demands of today's riders. As soon as you lay eyes on it, the XT 500 immediately commands attention. It's a bike that looks ready to tackle a dirt trail, navigate a city street, or cross a gravel path with equal confidence. Yamaha has maintained the iconic XT styling cues. The upright stance, high-mounted front fender, and minimalist bodywork all contribute to a classic, rugged silhouette, yet there's a refinement in the details that speaks to the evolution of design and technology. It is a motorcycle that feels both timeless and contemporary at the same time. One of the standout features of the 2026 Yamaha XT 500 is its engine. Yamaha has equipped this model with a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that is tuned for versatility. Unlike many modern bikes that prioritize high-revving power, the XT 500 thrives in the low to mid-range, delivering smooth torque that makes both off-road climbing and urban maneuvering effortless. The engine produces approximately 47 horsepower at a manageable 7,500 RPM, with torque peaking around 44 Nm, giving riders plenty of punch without feeling intimidating. Coupled with a 6-speed transmission, the XT 500 allows seamless gear transitions, whether you're crawling through rocky trails or cruising on the highway. Yamaha has also paid attention to rider comfort by integrating a lightweight chassis that balances stability and agility, making the bike remarkably easy to handle, even for riders stepping into adventure bikes for the first time. The suspension system on the 2026 XT 500 is another key highlight. Up front, you get a telescopic fork with generous travel, while the rear features a monoshock setup, both of which are fully adjustable to suit various terrains. This setup is ideal for riders who expect to mix street riding with off-road adventures, as it can absorb bumps, ruts, and jumps with confidence. The bike sits on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, shod with dual-purpose tires that grip dirt and tarmac alike. The braking system features a single 320mm disc up front and a 265mm disc at the rear, paired with ABS for safe stopping power without sacrificing control on loose surfaces. For those who enjoy technical trails, the lightweight construction combined with these components makes the XT 500 feel agile and responsive, yet stable enough to tackle long journeys with confidence. In terms of design, Yamaha has struck a careful balance between retro charm and modern functionality. The fuel tank has a sculpted, muscular shape reminiscent of the original XT series, while the seat is low enough to give riders a commanding view without feeling disconnected from the terrain. LED lighting at both ends ensures visibility in all conditions, while the digital instrument cluster provides all essential data: speed, fuel level, gear position, and a trip meter in a compact, easy-to-read package. Handlebar controls are intuitive, with ergonomics designed for long days in the saddle. Every aspect of the bike seems purpose-built, whether it's the skid plate protecting the engine or the reinforced swing arm that can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. The 2026 Yamaha XT 500 doesn't just perform well, it also offers practical features that enhance the overall riding experience. The bike comes with multiple mounting points for luggage or a top case, making it suitable for longer touring or weekend getaways. Yamaha has also integrated a fuel injection system that ensures smooth throttle response, better fuel economy, and easier starts in varying weather conditions, something older carbureted XT models couldn't offer as reliably. The exhaust system is high-mounted, both for aesthetic appeal and for practical ground clearance during trail riding. For tech-savvy riders, there is also a connectivity option that allows pairing with a smartphone via Yamaha's proprietary app, giving you access to navigation aids, ride logging, and maintenance reminders, which is a surprising yet welcome addition to a bike that otherwise embraces a traditional, rugged feel. Performance-wise, the XT 500 is a revelation in versatility. Its lightweight frame and torque-rich engine mean it accelerates briskly without feeling overpowered, while the suspension and wheels handle rough surfaces with aplomb. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the balance and the responsive handling, making it easier to maneuver around rocks, roots, and uneven terrain. Meanwhile, on paved roads, the bike offers a surprisingly comfortable and stable ride, with minimal vibration and a seating position that reduces fatigue over longer distances. This combination of off-road capability and street comfort makes the XT500 a true dual-purpose motorcycle, ideal for riders who want one bike that can handle a wide variety of riding conditions without compromise. Another unique selling point of the 2026 XT500 is its accessibility. Yamaha has priced this motorcycle at around $7,999, which positions it competitively in the adventure and dual sport market. Considering the performance, reliability, and heritage associated with the XT series, this price point makes it an attractive option for both experienced riders and newcomers looking for a versatile, capable motorcycle. Unlike some higher-priced adventure bikes that prioritize technology and electronics over raw usability, the XT500 keeps things straightforward, allowing riders to focus on the joy of riding without unnecessary distractions. It's a motorcycle that invites exploration, whether that's through city streets, twisty highways, or remote trails. The bike also excels in durability and maintenance simplicity. Yamaha has long been known for building engines that can withstand years of abuse with minimal intervention, and the XT500 continues the tradition. With a robust frame, high-quality components, and a design that facilitates easy servicing, the bike offers peace of mind to those planning long-distance adventures or remote off-road trips. Riders can expect reliable performance out of the box and enjoy a sense of confidence knowing that the XT500 can take them almost anywhere without constant mechanical concerns. This blend of reliability and performance is part of what has kept the XT series relevant for decades, and the 2026 model honors that legacy while integrating improvements that make it more appealing for modern riders. Aesthetically, the XT500 is a celebration of rugged minimalism. Its color options pay homage to Yamaha's heritage, featuring earthy tones and classic racing-inspired shades. The tank graphics are subtle yet stylish, while the exposed frame and engine components underscore its mechanical authenticity. It's not a motorcycle that relies on flashy gimmicks to impress, it commands respect through its presence, capability, and the sense that it's built to ride, not just to be looked at. Riding the 2026 XT500 is an experience that blends nostalgia with modern convenience. The engine's thump and the bike's balance create an engaging, connected feeling that makes every ride satisfying. Whether you're navigating tight forest trails, accelerating down a gravel path, or cruising through city traffic, the bike remains predictable and enjoyable. In conclusion, the 2026 Yamaha XT500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of intent. It blends classic XT heritage with modern engineering, creating a bike that's capable, reliable, and incredibly versatile. From its torque-rich engine and agile suspension to its minimalist yet purposeful design, every element of the XT500 serves a purpose, contributing to a cohesive riding experience that's as enjoyable on a dirt trail as it is on a city street. Priced competitively and packed with features that enhance both comfort and functionality, it's a bike that appeals to a wide range of riders. The 2026 Yamaha XT500 is available now at authorized Yamaha dealerships worldwide, and with its combination of style, performance, and versatility, it's poised to become a favorite for riders seeking a dependable, fun, and capable adventure motorcycle.